Ladies and gentlemen, innovators, creators, and visionaries, today we stand on the precipice of a groundbreaking revolution. A revolution that is set to redefine creativity, reshape industries, and reimagine the way we perceive and generate images. It is my absolute honor to introduce you to 4.0 image generation, the next evolutionary leap in artificial intelligence-powered creativity. Over the years, we have witnessed remarkable advancements in image generation technology. From basic pixel-based graphics to sophisticated deep learning models, the journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. And now, we have reached a pivotal moment where technology and imagination merge seamlessly to unlock possibilities we never thought achievable. So, what makes 4.0 image generation a game changer? Let me take you through three key pillars that define this revolutionary leap. 1. Hyperrealism. Like never before gone are the days of artificial-looking, pixelated, or imperfect AI-generated images. With 4.0 technology, we have entered an era of stunning photorealism, where every texture, shadow, and detail is crafted with near-human precision. Whether it's fashion design, product rendering, architectural visualization, or cinematic effects, this technology delivers visuals that are indistinguishable from reality. 2. Unmatched speed and efficiency. We live in a world where time is of the essence. Creativity should never be hindered by long processing hours or limitations in computing power. With enhanced neural networks, 4.0 image generation is exponentially faster, producing high-quality images in mere seconds. This means faster prototyping, streamlined workflows, and limitless creative exploration at your fingertips. 3. Intuitive customization and control. Creativity is personal. The power of 4.0 image generation lies in its ability to understand, adapt, and refine based on user preferences. Whether you're an artist seeking specific stylistic choices, a brand looking for tailored visuals, or a filmmaker demanding cinematic perfection, this technology provides intelligent tools to fine-tune every aspect of the generated images, giving you total creative command. But this is just the beginning. The implications of 4.0 image generation extend far beyond individual creativity. Imagine a world where medical professionals can generate ultra-detailed anatomical images for precision diagnoses, where fashion designers can visualize entire collections before a single thread is woven, where educators can bring history and science to life with hyper-accurate digital recreations. We are not just introducing another AI tool, we are unveiling a new frontier of imagination, a world where artistry meets intelligence, a future where creativity has no limits. So, I invite you all to step into this new era to explore, to create, and to innovate like never before. Because with 4.0 image generation, the only limit is the one you refuse to push. Thank you